One of our product lines, we were running 60 a day of that part, and now we're where we can run 84 a day.
Cascade is a global manufacturer of attachments for fork trucks. Anything in material handling movement, we pretty much make an attachment for it.
Cascade has been a longtime client of the Georgia MEP, and they got a new plant manager in 2023, and they were also experiencing a lot of growth. So the plant manager called us to help improve their processes to help them scale. And that included work from the lean team, the technology team, and the environmental team.
One of the first tasks, we wanted to map what our opportunities were in technology to be able to figure out our plan for the next several years of improvements. So we decided to do a technology roadmap where we had a person come in from the Georgia MEP and actually map our process by observation on the floor. We wanted to remove the repetitive work and then also what could do more of the streamlining to reduce the workload.
The rod assembly, putting the pistons on the rods, it's just 300 or 400 times a day, repetitiveness that the operator has to stand there and do that. So I think having opportunities to use cobots in our manufacturing process to see that repetitive work be repurposed and those operators be able to do something that has more value add to the overall product, I think that's going to be a good improvement.
So we're doing the process maps at the same time we're doing the technology maps. So we're improving process, trying to reduce waste, be able to streamline operations and automate functions that can be done to basically get a net gain versus automating a bad process.
The gimbal walk helps us to see the employees, the team leaders, the managers. We're able to see objectively, did the team have a good day or not the day before? And when we're all focused on the same thing, then it's helpful that everything is being measured at the same way.
I think that's made probably the biggest improvement. Everybody knows what they should do. Everybody knows the expectations.
With Georgia MEP, there are so many offerings that support manufacturing, especially small companies that don't have the resources in engineering or quality or in productivity. Cascade has a very aggressive program to lower our carbon footprint. So the first part is bringing in a group to do our energy assessment to figure out where are we creating our biggest issues within the plant as far as the carbon footprint. And the nice part is they give us a list of things, but also how to address them and then a payback to where we're easily able to communicate that to our leadership team of what we need to be able to accomplish these goals.
Cascade came to us in a near hyper-growth mode. And so we were able to use all of our services to help them meet their demand.
Everyone that's coming here, you feel like you're working with a fellow employee. You don't feel like it's somebody coming in here just telling you, this is what you need to do it this way, this is the only way. They get you involved to make you figure out the ways to improve yourself.
It's a very exciting time at Cascade. It's got a long history, but this is kind of the next phase of how do we grow. The market's changing into more electrics, different things are coming on board. So with our growth potential, it allows us to take advantage of that and build our team, the skills here to allow them to grow.